Everyone in the world has a separate mission. King Solomon says, Gam et haolam natan bilibam. The whole world is in the heart of man, meaning that one has a desire to become a plumber, another one is a builder, another one is a writer. Every person has another desire. In order to establish the whole world, God had to put different talents and different desires in different people's hearts. What is the driving force of your life? What is the mission that actually is going to determine who you are? Are you thinking about your mission statement? Morning, evening, day in and day out. Are you living up to it? This is what God is going to ask you. As Zushe said, the great Rav Zushe of Anipoli, when I die, they won't ask me why I wasn't like Moses or I wasn't like Abraham, our forefather. They'll ask me why wasn't who I needed to be. Who do you need to be? Are you living it? Are you living it fully? And if you're not, start today. It's never too late.